I say to you, doing happens far, far better if the doer is absent. That we will experience. It is almost like when you are very closer with your beloved, the doer is absent. Watch it. When you are very close with your beloved, the one who loves, when you love him very much, love her very much, the doer is absent. Love happens. With the doer, love is not possible. Because doer is a businessman. When the beloved is sitting in front of you, when the doer is present, it will calculate how much a doer is having bank balance, how many credit cards and debit cards she is having. This is the calculation, business. When the doer is absent, love happens. Simple example.
And if the beloved is Krishna?
Beloved is?
Krishna? Krishna.
See, what you mention as beloved as Krishna is not Krishna. It is image of Krishna. When the image is there in your mind, that means the doer is present in the subtler way. Please drop that too. Then you meet real Krishna. There is a real Krishna, there is image of Krishna. When you keep the image of Krishna, that means you are with the doer. Drop that too, and you will encounter the real Krishna.
She wanted to come.
It was a discount.
I saw there is a place in Tamil Nadu, Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal is a hilly area. It's a tourist spot, very nice area. One time I visited, some 4 or 5 years ago or more. I just happened to see a monastery, Buddhist monastery, Zen monastery. I visited that. When I just entered into the entrance of that Zen monastery, it was written in a big letter, a statement. It is written as, when you meditate, when you are on your meditation, when Buddha appears in front of you, kill him. It's written, I saw that. When Buddha appears when you are meditating, please kill him. For me, it's a very significant statement. It is applied for Krishna also. It's applied for Shiva also. It applied for Parvati also. It's applicable. The meaning is, the image of God is not God. It's just a reflection of God. Of course, one can use that. One can walk through. One can travel through. That's why the images have been created. Remember, we are not against images. They are bridges. They are channels. Channels. One can use that images to meet the real God.